Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Java program to add digits in a number. So guys, for example, as you can see, if the number that is entered by a user is 123, in this program what we are going to do is whatever digits that are present inside this number, we will add all the digits inside this number and display the sum of those digits. So guys, let us move to Eclipse IDE over here. We will use the divide and remainder operator in this case. So first of all, we need to take the input from the user inside a variable. So let's say we have the int number over here, inside which we will take the value from the user. So over here we are going to ask the user in order to enter the number. So let's say we provide enter the number to find sum of digits. So guys, this is the statement that we are going to provide to the user so that user can provide the number over here. And what we are going to use is we are going to use the scanner class, which is very much useful in order to take the integer values from the user. Guys, you can use the other classes as well, including the buffered reader also, which is faster than scanner. So over here we have the sc object, and then we have new operator followed by the scanner constructor, and then we will have system.in, because this will help us in order to take the input from the console. So guys, what we will do now is we will take number, it is equal to sc.nextInt. So guys, over here this statement, that is sc.nextInt, this will help us to take the input from the user and assign that value, whatever value is being provided by the user, to this number variable. Now whatever number we have provided, so for example, let's say we provided 1, 2, 3, we need to find sum of all these digits. So how this thing can be done? What we have to do is we have to use the while loop. So we will say while number, it is greater than 0. Now guys, why it is greater than 0? Because every time we want to divide this number by 10. So ultimately when this number becomes less than 0, the control flow will come out of this while loop. So over here what we will do is we will first of all get the last digit of this number. Now guys, what is the logic behind getting this last number over here? So what we will do is, let's say the number entered is 1, 2, 3. So first of all we will divide this number by 10. So the remainder will be 3 over here and the quotient will be 12 over here. So we will get the last digit, it is equal to 3, by dividing it by 10, and then we will save the quotient in the number variable over here, which will be 12 in this case. So guys, we have got 3 now over here. Now again we will divide this number 12 by 10 again. So digit will be 2 in this case. That's because we will be getting the last number over here, and the previous digit was 3. Now this 3 that was previous number, we will add it to this digit, that is 2, and the sum, it will be 5 over here, and the number, it will be divided by 10. So this time it will be just 1 over here. That's because 12 divided by 10 is 1. And then finally again we will use the remainder operator and we will get the digit, it is equal to 1 in this case. And if we divide 1 by 10, we will get the number as 0. So number in this case, it will be equal to 0. So all these digits we were able to extract from here. Guys, over here instead of 5 it is 2. So over here it will be 3, 2 and then 1. So one by one we have extracted all the digits, and we just need to add those digits in order to get the sum of digits over here. So guys, let us move to the program over here. So similarly what we will do is, first of all we will say number and then %10. So in this case we will get the last digit in this case. So over here we need to store it inside a particular variable. So let's say we provide the variable name as last digit over here. So it is last digit number %10. Now we need to find number divided by 10 over here, and this result will be stored in the number itself. That's because every time we are checking for this number variable whether it is greater than 0 or not. So over here we have divided the number by 10 and stored the value in the number itself. And what we will do is, let's say we have a separate variable over here which will have sum, and initially it is equal to 0. So we will add all the numbers inside this sum. So it is sum equal to sum plus the last digit will be taken over here. So I'll just copy this and paste this over here. So basically what we are doing is this particular statement is getting the last digit of the number, and then the number is being reduced, that is the last digit is being removed from that number, and then again the last digit is being added to the sum variable over here. Eventually when the number is being divided by 10 and finally the number becomes 0, the control flow will come out of this loop and we will have sum of all the digits inside this number inside the sum variable, and we just need to print that. So over here I will provide the statement. So I'll say sum of all digits is, and then colon, and then I'll simply provide sum over here. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, enter the number to find sum of digits. So over here, let's say I provide the number as 1, 2, 3. And then when I press enter, it says sum of all digits, it is equal to 6. And guys, that is the correct answer. That's because 1 plus 2 plus 3, it is equal to 6. Now guys, let us take another example. I'll run this code once again. And over here, let's say I provide the number as 8, 5, 4 and 9. So guys, what will be the sum of all these digits? Let us check in the calculator over here. It is 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9, and then equal to, it is equal to 26 in this case. So when I press enter over here, 26 should be displayed. So as you can see, sum of all digits is 26. And guys, in this way we can easily write a program that will add all the digits inside a number. Guys, this is a very important program and it can be asked in an interview question as well. So make sure that you practice on your own so that on different number inputs you get different output, and that is how you are going to learn about these Java programs. So guys, that's it in this video. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is a Java program to compute sum and average of array elements. So stay tuned.